How do you validate an email address in JavaScript? What is the regular expression to validate email address in JavaScript? Here is the recommended regex pattern for HTML5 on MDN. Browsers that support the email input type automatically provide validation to ensure that only text that matches the standard format for internet email addresses is entered into the input box. Browsers that implement the specification should be using an algorithm equivalent to the following regular expression. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.